In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign CLM Essentials, how to generate and process an agreement, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable flow, log in, open your templates, pick the right one, fill in the contract data, and send it out for external negotiation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move an agreement from idea to inbox with confidence. Start by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're on the home screen, head to the templates area. This is your launchpad for consistent, compliant documents. Templates are pre-configured by your organization to include the right structure, roles, and approval logic so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. Next, choose the template that fits your use case, such as an NDA or an MSA. If you're unsure which one to use, look at the template descriptions. Many teams include guidance like when to use a unilateral versus mutual NDA or which MSA applies to a specific product line. Selecting the correct template upfront ensures that the right clauses, signature routing, and default settings are all in place. After you select a template, you'll see the contract data fields. These are designed to capture the information that drives your document content. Required fields are usually clearly marked. Enter accurate, complete details such as party names and effective dates. In many organizations, these fields are tied to clause libraries with conditional logic. That means your answers determine which language is inserted. For example, selecting a governing law or choosing a payment term can automatically pull the matching clauses, reducing manual edits and risk. Take a moment to verify formatting, use full legal entity names, and keep naming conventions consistent. If something doesn't populate as expected, check your field values. Small changes there can update the language instantly. When everything looks correct, it's time to send the agreement for external negotiation. Choose the Send for Negotiation option associated with your template. Docusign will package the draft and share it with your counterparty, where they can review, comment, and propose red lines. You'll receive notifications as activity happens, and version history is tracked automatically, so you don't need to juggle multiple files or email threads. If your template includes internal approvals, those will trigger as required before or during the negotiation, keeping the process aligned with your policies. That's the full flow. Log in, pick the right template, populate the data carefully, and send it to negotiate. Follow these steps and you'll generate accurate agreements faster with fewer edits and better traceability. Thanks for watching and happy contracting.